a secret shopping cart trick that nobody knows that can get you approved for a credit card with no credit check at all, and you can get approved for it even with bad or worst credit. Hey YouTube, and welcome to Credit Oaks. In this very important video, I'm going to give you the complete step-by-step guide on how you can get approved for this credit card even with bad or worst credit using the super famous shopping cart trick. Well, I'm going to give you each and every step, and remember, if you miss a single part from it, this trick might not work for you. So make sure that you stay with us till the end. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a $15,000 worth of credit card with no credit check at all, and you can get that credit card even with bad or worst credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it. And don't forget to smash the like button on this video, as it helps this video and the channel as well. So without any further ado, let's begin, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So the opportunity is here, and this time is from Overstock. Well, you must have bought a lot of furniture. Like, if you don't, then well, I cannot say anything, but you need to understand that this is a massive opportunity where you can get approved for Overstock credit card by using this secret shopping cart trick. And remember, this is a massive opportunity for anyone who has bad or worse credit, and they simply need to get a credit card to either build their credit history, or at the same time they just simply want a credit card in this time of inflation. Remember, this is a credit product. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is something that helped a number of people. It's great to see that a number of you are getting approved for credit cards, personal loans, and credit lines by watching our videos. Thank you so much for all of your comments and all of your love. We'll keep uploading the videos for you every single day, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Remember that this video has step-by-step guide, means I'm going to give you each and every detail of this secret shopping cart trick in this video. And remember, if you miss a single part from this video, this trick will not work for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's move towards the first step, that is known as the 3 dots. And remember, it doesn't work on Safari, it does not work on Internet Explorer. But I said it multiple times, and still I receive comments that, hey, I have iOS and I'm using Safari, it's not working on it. It doesn't work on Safari, it works on Google Chrome only. So the first step, that when you open your Google Chrome, you need to go on the upper right hand corner, and you see these 3 dots. You need to click on it, then scroll down and go to settings. As soon as you go to settings, the second step, you need to click on privacy and security. So let's click. As soon as you click on privacy and security, you need to scroll down, and all the way down you can see right here it says site settings. As soon as you click on site settings, this page will open. Don't get frustrated, because this is a very important part, and if you miss this part, you will not be able to use this trick. It seems a bit lengthy. It's not, it's very straightforward. I'm actually describing everything in this video, so it might look a bit lengthy, but it's not. It takes like probably less than 5 seconds. Then you scroll all the way down, and you need to click on pop-up and redirects. This is very important. If you miss this trick will not work. You click on it, and this page will open. Right here you have 2 options. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. The other one is don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. Make sure that you have enabled the pop-ups, because that's how Overstock will give you that opportunity to get the credit card. I'll tell you later in the video. So make sure that you click on sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. So when you do that, the next step is pretty straightforward. You click on the 3 dots again, and then you click on new incognito window. Well, when you click on it, this page will open. The reason that we are going incognito, because we need to show Overstock that we are a new customer. We've never been to their website, so they cannot track your history or your cookies, that you can say. Right, then you need to actually write Overstock. Let me just put it right here. So overstock, and then you need to open the website overstock.com. As soon as you open it, this page will open. Now the biggest part is that you can see that I received a pop-up to get 15% off. It means that the pop-ups are enabled on my browsers. That's why I got this pop-up. So the first step was really important. Make sure it's enabled, and that's how overstock will give you that pre-approval of their credit card. Pre-approval means guaranteed or pretty much guaranteed approval, so make sure you keep this in mind. We're going to close it, and the second part is very important, and it's a fun part. You need to add some items into your cart. While I was doing it, I'll tell you that why we are doing it. The reason that we are doing it, because we need to show the overstock website that we are here to buy stuff, and of course at the end they will actually ask us to get their credit card because they want to charge us APR if we don't pay our bill on time, and that's how all the businesses work. But we are smart. We are not going to buy anything right here. We're just going to add the stuff to our cart. So let's go towards some handmade rugs. Now here's a very important detail that you need to remember, that we at least need to have $400 worth of stuff into our cart. So if we add $400 worth of stuff, then they will send up a pop-up, because the reason is that the minimum limit in overstock that I've personally seen is $400. So you need to keep this in mind. It could go as high as $10,000 or whatever, it totally depends, but you need to understand that you need to add at least $400 worth of stuff to your cart. So I am going to, let's say I'm going to say 5-inch square and ivory. So I'm going to add it to the cart. This one is $134.88. I add it to the cart. As soon as I click on edit it to the cart, you can see that they've given me a discount as well. It doesn't matter, we are not going to buy it, we are just adding stuff to our cart. Our estimated total is $107.90. No, we will keep shopping, or you can say window shopping, and we need to add a couple of more stuff. And right here, as you can see, we can actually go to furniture, sofas, or we can go with something. Outdoor seating would be great. So I'm gonna click on outdoor seating, and you will see that these stuff right here, and this one looks pretty amazing. So I'm gonna click on it, and I am going to add it to the cart. So let's go with navy blue. It looks really nice. Again, we are not buying stuff, we are just adding it to the cart. We just need the total to reach $400. So I'm going to add it to the cart, then it will show me the updated cart. Oh wow, no, I think I made a mistake right here, because no, we are certainly not going to buy the $1,700 worth of stuff right there. I'm going to remove it, and I'm gonna go back, and I am it says from $167.44. I don't know why it shows it like this. So I am going to move back, and I'm going to go towards decor, ottomans. I think this is the best thing to do. So right here, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to select beige, and I'm going to add it to the cart. As soon as I add it to the cart, my total is $221. Make sure you have like at least 3 to 4 items into your cart, so the total reaches $400. Don't just make that mistake that you add only one thing that is $400. It doesn't work like this. It's not going to trigger that pre-approval. Now I'm gonna go towards bedding, and I'm gonna go to sheets. Sheets are pretty expensive right here, but we are going to add a couple of them. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to write let's say king, and aqua, and it's $44. I'm going to add this one. Then I'm gonna go back, and I am going to add this one as well. It says $137. I don't know, like they put gold in it or what. Actually they have the gold color. So I am going to click on this, adding to the cart, and now my total is $493. So I surpassed that $400 mark. You know what it means? It means that now I can go towards the last step. As I mentioned earlier, the last step is really important. And what do you need to do now? You need to click on continue to check out. This is a very important part, so please make sure you watch this part very carefully and with full attention. So right here you can actually create an account, but we are not going to do that. We just need to show that we are the first time buyer or the customer that they need. Then we are going to continue as guest. We need to click on continue with guest, by the way, my apologies. Then we are going to put our email address, first name, address, zip code, city, state, phone, and we are not going to click on credit card details. As you can see right here on the bottom right here, it says check if you pre-qualify. Please don't click on it. Please don't do that. A number of people make this mistake, and then this trick will never work. That's why I said the last part is really important. What you're going to do, you're going to put your first name, your last name, your address, and you know what happens? As soon as you put your first name, your address that exactly matches the address that you have on your credit report, as soon as you put it, you know what happens? A pop-up will appear, and you want to see that pop-up? 3, 2, 1. There you go. Congratulations, you've been pre-approved for an overstock credit card account. Accept this offer and take advantage of our exclusive card benefits. Are you going to accept the offer? Now this is a very important part. Please pay attention to this part very carefully. Well, they will give you this offer, and what you need to do now, you need to go to your credit report like Expedient, Equifax, and TransUnion and freeze your credit there. As soon as you freeze your credit there and you accept this offer, even if they try to do a hard inquiry, they won't be able to do it. Why? Because there's a freeze on your credit. So when you click on accept offer, they've already pre-approved you, which means guaranteed approval, means that you are going to get this card without impacting your credit score, even though if you have bad, worst, or any sort of credit. Well, I've seen a person recently, he has lower than 300 score. I've never seen that. If you know anyone, comment in the comment section. But this is a massive opportunity for you. And remember, I'm also going to upload a very important video which will allow you to get a very important $15,000 worth of credit card with no credit check, and you can get this credit card even with bad or worse credit. In order to watch that video, all you need to do is to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon so you can get the notification of that video when we upload it, and don't forget to smash the like button on this video as it helps this video and the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.